Did you hear about the man who bought his fiancée a ring so large she couldn't lift her hand? Guess he really wanted to make sure she couldn't say no. Now choosing the perfect ring, whether it's for an engagement or a wedding, can often feel like a Herculean task. You're not just selecting a piece of jewelry, you're making a decision that symbolizes commitment, encapsulates your love story, and well, let's face it, will be the subject of scrutiny by family, friends, and the occasional nosy neighbor. The struggles are real, my friends. The weight of the decision can feel as heavy as our friend's oversized ring. You might find yourself pacing the floors of countless jewelry stores, eyes glazed over by the sheer sparkle of it all, mind boggling over the 4 C's: cut, clarity, color, and carat. And let's not even start on the myriad of ring styles to choose from: solitaire, halo, 3-stone, vintage. It's like a never-ending buffet of bling. And then there's the pressure of getting it right. Will your partner like it? Does it suit their style? Is it worth the price tag? Is it too big, too small, too shiny? Not shiny enough. It's enough to make even the most level-headed among us feel a tad overwhelmed. But here's a secret: it's okay to feel a bit lost, a bit daunted. After all, this isn't a decision to be taken lightly. This is about finding a ring that your partner will love, that they'll be proud to wear, and that will stand the test of time, just like your love for each other. So take a deep breath, pour yourself a cuppa, and embrace the journey. You're not alone. We're here to help you navigate through the labyrinth of ring selection. But fear not, my friends. In the world of ring selection, knowledge is power, and power is what we're about to give you. Picture this. You've just started planning your wedding, and you're on a tight budget. Does that mean you have to settle for a less than perfect ring? Absolutely not. Now let's imagine our friend. Let's call him Tom. Tom's a teacher. He's got a heart as big as a lion, but a wallet that's not quite as expansive. He's madly in love and ready to propose, but he's sweating bullets over the cost of the ring. Sound familiar? Well, fear not, because, my friends, being budget conscious doesn't mean compromising on quality or style. First things first, Tom needs to do his homework. Knowledge is power, after all. Understanding the 4 C's, that's carat, cut, color, and clarity, can help him find a ring that shines bright without costing an arm and a leg. For instance, opting for a slightly smaller carat or a lower clarity grade can make a significant difference in price, but may be barely noticeable to the naked eye. Next, Tom should consider alternative gemstones. Diamonds may be a girl's best friend, but other stones like sapphires and rubies can be just as beautiful and much more affordable. And hey, it's the thought that counts, right? And let's not forget about the setting. A unique setting can make even a modest stone look magnificent. So Tom could get creative with the design without draining his bank account. Then there's the secret weapon: second-hand rings. Vintage rings not only have a unique charm, but can also be surprisingly wallet-friendly. And who knows, Tom might stumble upon a piece with a romantic history that adds to its allure. Lastly, Tom shouldn't be afraid to negotiate. Prices aren't always set in stone, pun very much intended. A bit of friendly haggling could potentially save him a tidy sum. So even with a budget, you can still find that perfect ring that doesn't break the bank. And remember, it's not about the price tag, it's about the love that the ring represents. Because at the end of the day, love doesn't cost a thing. Well, maybe a few quid for the ring. Now let's imagine you're someone who loves luxury and wants to make a grand statement. Does that mean you have to spend a fortune? Not necessarily. Picture this. You're a lover of the finer things in life. The glint of a well-cut diamond, the glow of pure gold, the allure of a unique design, they all call to you. This love for luxury extends to your quest for the perfect engagement and wedding ring. But does this mean that you have to break the bank to get what you want? Not at all. When you're shopping for high-end rings, it's crucial to remember the 4 C's: cut, carat, clarity, and color. These determine the quality and price of a diamond, but here's a little secret. You can save a lot by focusing on cut and carat, and compromising a little on color and clarity. A well-cut diamond can make it look larger and more brilliant, and slight differences in color and clarity are usually not noticeable to the naked eye. Also, consider buying rings during the off-peak season. Jewelers often have sales during times when demand is low. With a bit of patience, you could snag that dream ring at a fraction of its original price. Or how about opting for a vintage ring? They're not only unique, but are often priced lower than brand new rings of the same quality. Plus, they come with a history that adds to their charm. And remember, it's not just about the price tag. It's about the sentiment behind the ring. It's about choosing a ring that embodies your love story and your partner's personality. So even if you're a luxury lover, don't let the pressure to spend big get to you. Take your time, do your research, and don't hesitate to negotiate. Remember, the goal is to find a ring that matches your taste without causing undue financial stress. So even with a taste for luxury, you can still find that perfect ring that doesn't empty your wallet. We hope you found these scenarios helpful. And remember, the perfect ring is out there waiting for you. Now, if you enjoyed this video, and who wouldn't, right? Give it a big thumbs up. Let's show the world that diamond education is in vogue. And don't just stop at liking. Tap that subscribe button too. Join the Modern World Dynamics family. We're here to take you on an enlightening journey through the world of engagements and weddings, and who knows what else. Now, here's a thought. If you find our content valuable, and we hope you do, consider supporting our mission. A cup of coffee's worth of donation, or even just a biscuit's worth, can make a huge difference. It fuels our research, our production, and it ensures that we can keep bringing you top-notch content just like this. Don't forget, the donation link is in the description below. Your support helps us keep bringing you videos like this one. So there you have it, the world of rings demystified. We've traversed the glittering landscape of engagement and wedding rings together, from the terrain of the budget-conscious buyer to the highlands of the luxury lover. We've discovered that there's no one-size-fits-all answer when it comes to choosing that perfect ring. It's all about finding what fits your story, your style, and yes, your wallet. The key takeaway? Do your research. Whether you're hunting for a bargain or ready to splurge, being informed is your best weapon. Consider all your options, understand the value, and make a decision that you'll be happy with for years to come. And remember, while a ring is a symbol of your love, it's the love itself that truly matters. So whether you're spending a few hundred or a few thousand, the perfect ring is the one that feels right to you. Thanks for tuning in to Modern World Dynamics. Remember to like this video and hit that subscribe button. And until next time, happy ring hunting.